Okay, so the first thing you do, remember I said when you want to simplify exponents, you want to get the smallest base. Smallest base. 8 is not very small. 8 is actually 2 to the power 3. Now that's as small as you can go, 2 to the power 3. So we're going to change the 8 to 2 to the power 3. Okay, 2 to the power 3. It's still to the power x. Okay, 8 to the power x. Now it's still 8 to the power x, but we change it to its smallest base. Okay, remember that formula calculated the equal shift fact, or use the long division using the prime factors to find it. Okay, then 12, you will see 12 is 2 to the power 2 times 3. To the power 2x. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, so it's still 12. We just use the smallest bases we can. Use the prime numbers. Okay, 9 is 3 to the power 2. And then to the power x minus 1. So we change the 9 to 3 squared. And then the last one is 24. 24 is, you can say it's 6 times 4, but think about it, 12 times 2 is 24. So if 12 is 2 squared times 3, you just have to multiply that by 2. So that's one way of seeing that it's going to be 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power, and then 3 minus x. This one is to the power 3 minus x. Okay, so the first step is change the bases to the smallest base you can find. That's very important. Otherwise, you really can't do the thing if you don't do that first. Okay, so now we did this. Now we can say multiply the exponent on the outside with the exponent on the inside. Okay? Exponent on the outside with the exponent on the inside. So if you want to, you can put in the 1 there and there. But you can remember what are the exponents. It's to the 3 to the power 1. 3 to the power 1. Outside exponent with inside exponent. So here we're going to have 2 to the power 3x for this one. Here we're going to have 2x times 2, which is 2 to the power 4x. And then we're going to have 1 times 2x is 3 to the power 2x. Now look carefully at these ones. Yeah, many times learners go off the path. They do. What the biggest thing I see that learners do is multiply the 2 of the x only. Okay? It's 2 times x and 2 times negative 1. You must multiply with both. So it's going to become 3 to the power 2x minus 2. 2 times x is 2x, 2 times negative 2 is negative 2. Sorry, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. And then here the 3 times the 3 gives you 9. So you're going to have 2 to the power 9. Okay, 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times negative x is negative 3x. And then the 3 to the power 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times negative x is negative x. So we're going to have multiplied by 3 to the power 3 minus x. Okay, so you're going to be very careful when there's 2 terms outside as an exponent, and you have to multiply both of them in. Okay, this is a very important step. Okay, now from here, let's go on here. From here now we can say add the exponents at the top, add the exponents at the bottom if they are, and also you can take it out. Okay, remember these ones we take it up the signs change. So that's quite a story. Okay. So to simplify it first is maybe easier. And so, okay, this one is 3x plus 4x gives you 7x. So it's going to become, this part becomes 2 to the power 7x. Okay. And then this part stays like that. 3 to the power 2x. Stays like that. Then here you got 2x minus 2 plus 3 minus x. So think about it, 2x minus x. Because remember the 3 and the 3 has the same base. And we are multiplying. So let's first look at the x's. 2x minus x is 1x. And then negative 2 plus 3. What is 3 minus 2? It's 1. So you're just going to have 1x plus 1. Okay? So for the 3's, you're going to have 3 to the power 1x plus 1. You simplify that. Okay? And then for this part, it's going to stay like that. 2 to the power 9 minus 3x. 2 to the power 9 minus 3x. That part stays the same. Okay, now the last step, okay, so that's what it's equal to now. Now the last step is you can take these ones up. Okay. You're going to have 2 to the power 7x. The 9, look carefully now. The last step is also very important. The 9 goes up, it becomes minus 9. The negative 3x goes up and it becomes plus 3x. Okay? So you're going to have 7x plus 3x minus 9. And then for this one, you're going to have 3 to the power 2x minus x, which is 1x. Okay, and then the 1 goes up also. So let's just write it down. 3 to the power 2x minus x minus 1. Okay, so we take the x becomes minus x, the 1 becomes minus 1. That's also an important step. And now the last thing is adding 7x plus 3x gives you 10x minus 9. And here you're going to have 2x minus x is 1x, so it's 3 to the power 1x minus 9. And that is your answer. 10 to the power 10, 2 to the power 10x minus 9 times 3 to the power x minus 1. Okay.